Here's how to post reels on Instagram. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the entire video and don't skip any important steps. Open your Instagram account, then click on this plus icon at the bottom of this page. After that, here you will be able to view this option. Click on Reels. Now, from your gallery, you have to select the video that you want to upload as a reel. Now, if you already added a song to your video, then you don't need to add any music. If don't, you have to click on the music icon to add any song onto your video. Now, from here, you have to select the song that you want to add on your reel. Then select a specific part of the music that you want to add on your reel as background music. Now click on the edit video option to edit it. Here you can also add the effects if you want to add any effects to your reels. If you don't want to edit your video, you can simply skip this step. Here Instagram offers you various effects to add on to your video. You can select any one of these. Once all done, click on the send option. Now click on the OK. If you want to tag people, you can also tag people here, or you can also add topics by clicking on the add topics option. Then click on the next. Once all done, click on the next option to share the video as reel. So that's how to post reels on Instagram.